I am OagengAIComms, founder of OagengAIComms. ImpactReport AI is our groundbreaking platform for NGOs and CSR teams, and in the next few minutes, I am going to show you step by step how to generate a complete donor report in under 60 seconds. Let me show you exactly how it works. And that is ImpactReport AI. From empty form to professional donor-ready report in under 60 seconds. Your first report is completely free. No credit card, no commitment. Go to ImpactReport AI, OagengAIComms.com. Click Sign Up as NGO and generate your first report right now. If you are a funder or CSR program manager, click the Funder door and explore FunderIQ, your portfolio intelligence dashboard. And stay tuned. In part 2 of this series, I am going to do a dedicated deep dive into FunderIQ, showing you every feature that gives funders real-time portfolio intelligence across all their grantees. You do not want to miss that one. Subscribe so you do not miss part 2, and share this video with one NGO leader or funder who needs to see it.